Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So in this video what I'm trying to do is ta-da, a floating cup, but this time I'll be using two cups. Okay, now the first cup gonna be having yellow and red. By the way, I'll be using this white, titanium white in the middle of those each color, yellow and red as a separating color. And the second cup I'll be using turquoise and phthalo blue, and again with the white. And base color I'll be using this sort of reddish violet color as a base coat. So the plan is to fill two cups, one with the red, yellow, the other one with blue and turquoise, and pour it into these two cups separately, and let's see the result. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So there you have it, guys. This is more of an iteration of ice and fire. As you can see, there's fire on this side and then ice on this side. So what I like about this piece is how the dark and rich color, for example the phthalo blue and the red, actually are circulated in the middle, and then you have the turquoise and the yellow on the sides. And here's why I chose purple as the base color. Look at the whiting, the wane on this between these blue and the red and yellow. Look at all these small cells. See? And the big cells, the small cells, and all in between. So there you have it, guys. Hope you liked the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button so that you will be notified when I post a new video. And if you like the video, give it a thumb up and share with your friend. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.